Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here from SimmonsEssentials. I want to bring you another original design here. This is the Hippolytus knot. So let's go ahead and get started. This is my left side. It's at the belt line as usual. I'm going to come over here. I'm going to put a fold in there. I just did a mocha pinch there. Bring it over to the center. Come across the top like this. We're going to come up and over like this. Around like so. Then I'm going to come through here. This. I'm going to come across like this, up and down like so, and then we're going to come through here. Then we're going to come up like this, then we're going to come back up through here, fold this in half, and then I'm going to come around and then up like that. And this, you want this to be not too far out there, but this might be longer or shorter, but you want it to be sticking out. This is a perfect length right here. But there you have it. So again, follow me on SimmonsEssentials. On your side, my friends. We'll see you in the next episode. Peace and God bless.